What's up, guys? So I am here, and I noticed that because since this is a newer car, and I put my camera either on the center of the windshield or right in front of me above, I noticed that I look washed out. So I might need to get a filter for my camera. Cause watch this. I'm gonna take off my shades. I'm gonna put it over the camera, and you let me know how I look. Check it out. So here's my shades right here. I'm gonna put it over the camera. Look at that. It looked like I look much better. I look kind of pink or something. I mean, whatever I see. Let me see, cause I need to put on my glasses. Yeah, it looks kind of weird. Look at that, washed out shades. Okay, so let's see. All right, that's better, but it's just like a little glare. I need to get some glasses for my camera, some shades. Funny. Anywho. Alright, so let's get out of here. So somebody was asking, is it better to make a left turn behind the car in front of them or in front of them? Let me explain, shall we, or shall I? So when two cars are making a left turn at the same time, so you have an oncoming car and you're facing the oncoming car, he's making a left turn in front of you, you're making a left turn in front of him. Is that the correct way to make the left turn? In front of each other? Or he goes behind you, you go behind him and make a left turn? Well, the standard procedure is in front. In some cases, you will have to go behind him. It was a good question brought up by someone. In certain situations, you will have to go behind each other. It just depends. And you'll see it. You'll pick it up, like what's going on the road. But the standard procedure, guys, it is in front of each other. Because let's say this car's behind him and you can't make a left turn behind him. He can't make a left turn behind you because this car's behind you. So, scapish?